Hey there! In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about OBD2 trouble code P0137. First things first, let's break down what the P0137 code actually is. This code gets triggered when the engine control module detects that the voltage from the oxygen sensor, also known as the air-fuel ratio sensor, has remained below 400 millivolts for more than 20 seconds. Causing the engine to either run too rich or too lean. Specifically, we're talking about the oxygen sensor for Bank 1, Sensor 2. Now let's learn what is Bank 1 Sensor 2. In engines with multiple cylinder banks like V6 or V8 engines, you'll have two sides or banks of cylinders. Bank 1 typically refers to the side of the engine where cylinder 1 is located, and Bank 2 is on the opposite side. Each bank has its own exhaust line, and each exhaust line is equipped with two catalytic converters. Now, here's where the oxygen sensors come in. Each catalytic converter has two oxygen sensors, an upstream sensor, which we call Sensor 1, and a downstream sensor, known as Sensor 2. So when we talk about Bank 1 Sensor 2, we're focusing on the oxygen sensor that's downstream on the side of the engine, where cylinder 1 is located. If you want to read more about any other OBD2 codes, you can visit our website obdcode.org for a full list of codes and their meanings. Now let's learn why P0137 was triggered. Your vehicle's oxygen sensor plays a vital role in monitoring the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. It sends this data to the ECU, which then uses it to maintain the optimal air-fuel ratio. The ECU controls the air-fuel ratio by adjusting the timing of the engine's valves, allowing just the right amount of air and fuel to enter the combustion chamber. An oxygen sensor typically has 4 wires. 2 are dedicated to the heater circuit within the sensor, and they're often the same color. The other 2 are signal wires. One is a reference ground, and the other is the actual oxygen signal wire. If the ECU detects that the actual oxygen signal wire in Bank 1, Sensor 2 is registering a low voltage below 400 millivolts for more than 20 seconds, it will trigger the P0137 code. Now, where exactly is the P0137 sensor located? The P0137 sensor, also known as the oxygen sensor or air-fuel ratio sensor, is generally located in the exhaust system, downstream of the catalytic converter on Bank 1. This sensor position can vary slightly depending on your vehicle's make and model, but it's usually found near the exhaust manifold. Now that we understand what P0137 means and where the sensor is located, let's cover how to reset it. Sometimes error codes like P0137 appear due to recent maintenance or temporary glitches, and they may clear up after an OBD2 reset. To do this, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. If you don't have one, check out the link in the description for the best scanners out there. Simply connect the scanner to your vehicle, follow the instructions to clear the trouble codes, and see if the P0137 code reappears. If the P0137 code reappears, it's time to look into some common root causes of P0137. Let's discuss some common root causes of the P0137 error code. The first cause is faulty oxygen sensor. Sometimes the oxygen sensor itself may fail due to wear or contamination. The next cause is faulty oxygen sensor heater circuit. Oxygen sensors need to reach a specific temperature to work effectively, which is why many have an integrated heater. A faulty heater circuit can prevent the sensor from reaching optimal operating temperature, resulting in incorrect readings. The third cause is defective sensor wiring or circuit problems. Issues like a blown fuse, broken wires, or poor connections in the oxygen sensor circuit can disrupt the signal to the ECU, causing the P0137 code. The fourth cause is exhaust system leaks. A leak in the exhaust system can allow extra oxygen to enter, causing the sensor to misread a lean condition.